Morning guys, hope you're good. It is 6 a.m. in the morning and I'm going to go out and do a lovely, beautiful morning shoot on a Sunday in Prague. When I was planning about coming to Prague, I wasn't planning about shooting the car. Then I got here and I was like, I probably should. It's a very beautiful city. If you've never been, I recommend you come. All of the photos, locations that I'm going to go to, I'll link below in the description. All of the photos in today's video are edited in my presets. There's a link in the description for those as well. Let's go and say, honestly, I don't know how it's going to go. It might be shit. The lighting outside doesn't look amazing, but this is the point of a video a day, is that sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not. So if you're not aware, I'm doing a video every day. Subscribe, notification bell. That way you get to see the good and the bad. Let's go and see what happens. All right. So first of all, we are going to go and pick up a friend who's going to come and join me. I think the hotel is just over that way. Let's go and find out.
So cool.
Oh mate, yeah.
Is it like a Kinder Surprise?
Yeah. This is our driving mascot from Roxanne.
That's sick. That's actually so dope.
I love that. And if you're ever going to track it, but it has like a timing tracker, so
Yeah.
if you do want to take it on track,
Yeah.
as if you would, but right. So this first spot is like down here. It's like a ramp, but let's have a look. I was kind of hoping there wouldn't be a boat, but there is a boat. Sad, because on Street View there's no boat.
Yeah, yeah.
I think if I put it here and go back a bit, of course there's someone. It's like the sod's law of just being a car shooter, is there's always someone, and it's like, you can't be.
Yeah, right?
Yeah. Yeah, so the reason I was out here, I was thinking like it'd be cool to get like an elevated shot from up there with the background.
Yeah, good call.
And stuff. But we'll see how it goes. Right, so the idea in the first location is there's this like ramp and up above. So a lot of the time when I do research, I'm doing research on Street View or Google Earth. So I came down this road, saw this kind of opening, and in the background you have some of like the stereotypical Prague buildings, which I think will look good. I might throw the 35-150 on just because I think it'd be a better lens for this situation. Let's throw that on. Yeah, so whenever I'm doing a shoot like this, I spend a lot of time on Street View or Google Earth, scouting out cities and locations. You can, of course, just drive around, but when you do that, it's difficult just to like stop. You have to like circle back around and try and find where you were, etc. So the idea is you spend, I don't know, hour, 2 hour, 3 hour on Street View or Google Earth, and you end up finding locations like this. Oh, this looks sick from up here. If you had to like choose one type of photography,
Oh, I probably would do like...
what would you do? Like lifestyle shit?
I would do between travel and automotive, to be honest.
Back in a second. On the wide as well. So all I'm doing is I'm using the fence, this like really beautifully designed fence, as a bit of foreground. Well, I guess a natural frame. I think a cool shot would be if I kind of like just sit on here. So just my legs kind of out, got the building in front of me. Oh, honestly. Okay, so you guys can kind of see what I'm framing up. This is the frame down here. So I'm using this tiny, I mean it doesn't look very big in person, but with the 16mm it actually comes out pretty good. So it's kind of the frame. All right, Gucci. Yeah, that works. Yeah, it's 16.
Oh, dude, that's sick.
I mean, I don't know the next time I'm going to see you, so I'm going to ask you a question
Yeah.
for the video, if that's okay.
Yeah.
And it's a very generic question.
Yep.
If you had one piece of advice for a new creator, what would it be?
It's a hard thing to cultivate your own voice. I think just pay attention to the things that you like and focus more on that. And oddly enough, the areas that you're like thinking you don't have strengths in actually are your strengths, because those weaknesses become your unique kind of like imprint on your work. And so really try hard not to fall in the trap of doing what everyone else is doing because they have success. Your success will come by leaning more into just what you like naturally gravitate towards. So like explore that creativity, explore that like side of yourself more. I wish someone told me that when I started.
Yeah, that's good. On the spot too. You're a natural. It's like it's your job, right? Okay, so I'm basically looking at the obvious shot here is head on with the beautiful buildings in the background. I'm just having a look around to see if there's anything that I can use. I think I'm going to go a bit further back, try and get a bit of elevation. If I go down here, might be able to get, how stable is that rock? Okay, pretty still. Yeah. Okay, that's gonna look good. I'll stick you guys down there so you can see what I'm doing. Yeah, that looks sick. This moment was actually quite a big moment for me. 7 years ago, when I was an aspiring photographer and creator here on YouTube, I used to watch his videos to inspire me and get ideas. And now I'm sharing a shoot with him. Off the back of the hard work that I've put in to be able to bring him along on a shoot that I'm doing for Bentley was a huge moment for me. And to share ideas and creativity with a like-minded creative is something that I want to do more of. And I want you guys to understand that wherever you are now, it is definitely not the finishing point. Keep creating and keep trying, because you never know where it's going to end up. Okay, right, so for this shot, we've put it down here, and I was just getting a photo, which you can see on the screen. Basically, there's these plant pots over here, and I was using that as a nice bit of foreground. This is the frame from here, kind of using these as foreground, shooting through, you can kind of see on the screen. The last spot is literally just across the road from where we just were, but it looks really nice in this corner. You've got the steps as well. There's a load of different frames you can get. So I swapped over to the 100 RF, and if I come up here, like from here, yeah, that looks mega. Now, one of the things I kind of want to close this video off by saying is Chris is actually an incredible guy. Not that I was expecting anything different, but I've met YouTubers and creators that are successful before, and they haven't always been how they present themselves on socials. Whereas Chris, genuinely, Chris, if you're watching this, you're a great guy, and both myself and Roxanne really appreciate the time that you took to spend with us and to share some stories and share life experiences. And Generally, if you don't follow Chris, I'll link his stuff below on YouTube and Instagram. We did this shoot, but we also grabbed a coffee and some food as well. And yeah, thank you for spending some time with me, Chris. I really appreciate it. And hopefully we can do some more videos in the future at some point, somewhere. Maybe cars, maybe travel, maybe no videos at all and just relaxing, whatever. I got some more photos of the car in Prague, which you can see over the top of me talking now. All of the photos in today's video were edited in my presets. There's a link in the description if you'd like to. You get 188 desktop presets and 164 mobile presets. If you'd like to use them, there's a link in the description. If you'd also like to subscribe, notification bell, because I'm uploading every day. So the idea of these videos is that I just want to show that you can create something every day and put it out into the world and just enjoy the process. And I want to document that because there's highs and lows when you're creating content, and I want to show the highs and the lows, and this was definitely a high, whereas yesterday's videos was literally me photographing the car after I've washed the car. So it just goes to show that you can have like pinnacle of days and then really like crappy days where it's okay and the content is mediocre. And that's the point of these videos going forward, that I'm just showing the good, the bad, the ugly, the beautiful, all in between. And I don't know how long I'm going to do it for. We'll see. But with all that being said, great day. Chris, thank you very much. If you don't know who Chris Howe is, then you should do, and link below. Create more, stress less, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace, love. Go shoot.